Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's story. So, the title is Mangoes and Mischief. It's a level 3 story from storyweaver.org.in. The author is Sridevi Gopakumar and illustrator is Sahitya Rani. Very nice names. Okay, so let's see what mischief these kids are up to with mangoes today. The summer holidays were finally here. No more school. All the trees in the village were filled with fruits and flowers. Malu and Moidoti, that's the name of the kids. Malu and Moidoti spent every day playing marbles, flying kites, and fishing in the ponds. One day, Moidoti, who loved mangoes more than anything in the world, no longer wanted to play. I can't think of anything but mangoes, Malu, he sighed. This boy who's sleeping on the tree trunk, is saying only thing on my mind today is mangoes. How I wish I could have a few. He's not happy at all today. Well, come on then, said Malu as she ran up to a mango tree. Let's see if we can get a few mangoes. So she is very naughty and energetic, it seems. See, she is having a pebble throwing up. She picked up a pebble from the ground and peered up to the tree tops. Then she narrowed her eyes, stuck her tongue out, bent a little, leaned back, and threw the pebble high into the tree. So she had a perfect stance how to throw it. Ooh, ow! Oh, somebody shouting. Who dares to throw mangoes at Mangasura? Oh, there is a asur living in the tree. My daughter shrieked, ah, and hid behind the tree. Malu gasped and looked around. Where is this voice coming from? But there was nobody else around. So where did that voice come from? Where are you looking, you silly girl? I am here, yelled somebody from tree top. Tree top. Okay, he's on top of the tree. There was a rustling among the trees, and oh, look at their faces, how scared they are. Thud! Oh my god, I'm scared now. I think we are preparing for Halloween today. A demon landed in front of them. You! He cried, pointing towards Moidoti. I will teach you to steal from me. I may be short, I may be fat, my ugliness may stun. Stun means make you a statue for a minute, make you stand where you are. But Mangasura is my name and I am second to none. Here's a little something to make you wan and bleak. You will be spitting little mangoes. Spitting money when you throw out from your mouth. That's spitting. You will be spitting little mangoes every time you speak. Oh, he has cursed Moidoti. He will be so sorry. What? Cried Moidoti. And out popped a tiny green mango from his mouth. Oh, he's actually spitting mangoes now. Wow! He bawled, spraying baby mangoes everywhere. So when he cried, with every cry, little baby mangoes were falling everywhere. Make it stop, Malu. Whoa! Boom, 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 boom. Please, Mangasura, pleaded Malu. It was I who threw that stone at you. Oh, how nice she is. Please don't curse my daughter like this. We will do anything to set things right. Anything you said, look at him. He's so funny. So cute, actually. You said you, he has a mango necklace as well. You said you would do anything? Asked Mangasur. Yes, yes, of course we will do anything to make this stop, cried Malu. Anything at all, wailed my daughter. Oh, that's my daughter. Anything, anything. Said Mangasur. Maybe there is something you can do for me after all. He is getting ideas now. I munch on fresh, delicious mangoes all summer long. But I crave the mangoes that have been magically transformed by humans. How do we transform mangoes? And you know, anybody? Perfect pieces of priur. Priur is a type of mango. Plunked in chili powder and salt. Slices of sweet sun-dried safeda, soaked with the scent of summer. Cool clay kulhards of lip-smacking langda lassi, langde aam ki lassi. Bits of baby mangoes bobbing in bottles of brine. Khatte khatte. Oh, it's making me want summer once more. Ah, I could go on and on. Mangasura paused, lost in delicious daydreams. Then he shook his head and turned towards the children. Bring me all the mango dishes you can find. Only then will I reverse this curse. Ah, he likes mango dishes. So Malu and Moidoti ran off to see what they could do. And they found mangoes everywhere, from wedding feast to roadside vendors. In Moidoti's home, pickles. And in Malu's home, slices of mangoes. By sundown, Moidoti and Malu had arranged a feast for Mangasur. There were mango dishes of every kind, sweet, salty, spicy, and savory, pickles and papads, murabba and milkshake, amras and aam panna. It was a feast of mangoes. Mangasur gorged on everything. Yum, 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 yum. He slurped and scrunched and chewed and chuckled ha ha yum yum his way through plates of delicious food. Nothing was forgotten or wasted. When Mangasur had finally licked the plates and his fingers clean, he got to his feet and rubbed his hand together. Yum, happy. Then, as a strong breeze whipped through the trees, Mangasur said, I have had a feud. Feud means fight. I have had my fun. I have even had my food. In fact, I think I may have eaten more than I should. The two of you now surely rue the mischief you have brewed. मतलब जो तुमने बदमाशी करी थी, you have taken care of it, you have solved it. So here and now, this mango mood, I hereby do conclude. Did it work? Cried Moidoti. Look, Moidoti, gasped Malu, you are no longer spitting mangoes when you speak. The curse has been reversed. So what would you like to do now, my boy? Asked Mangasur. Would you like a few lovely ripe mangoes to take home with you? No, thank you. I may have had my fill of mangoes for now, laughed Moidoti. He doesn't want any more mangoes. He's scared of Mangasur a little bit. M for mangoes. It is not just Mangasur who would do anything for mangoes. Through the centuries, mangoes have shaped trade routes, played roles in love stories, and even caused wars. Mangoes were first grown in India around 4,000 years ago, although the Western world tasted it only 400 years ago. Kerala, where Malu and Moidoti are from, is credited with giving the mango its English name. Portuguese traders were so enchanted by the Malayali manga that they transported it to Europe and called it mango. Mughals, Marathas, Mauryas, and other rulers were all enchanted by the king of fruits, the mango, and they encouraged the creation of new varieties of mangoes, many of which Mangasura enjoyed in his mango feast. In fact, Alauddin Khilji is said to have once had a feast in Sivana fort in Rajasthan, where his guests were served only mangoes in different forms. Lovely, it's my favorite fruit too. Thank you for listening.